Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a fun way to make sure that you drink your water every day?
These Befano color changing cups make drinking cold beverages so much fun. I love how sturdy these cups are. They have a 24-ounce capacity, which is amazing, and they come in a bunch of fun different colors. But what's even more fun is that once you add something cold to them, like ice and then a cold beverage, they color change. So it's super cool. Here you can see this one changing to kind of a deep blue purple. And I have ice in here and a whole can of seltzer. So you can see with that 24-ounce capacity that they are able to hold a lot. And then they have super fun interchangeable lids and straws. Everything is in really fun colors. So it just makes drinking your water, drinking a cold beverage, super fun and convenient with the different colored straws that have the little notch at the end so they're not going to fall out of your cup, and then also the different color lids, which just make it really, really convenient to use these. So all around, I think these are awesome. They come in a set of 4 with the different colors, lids, and straws. They are really cute and really convenient.
I think that these color changing cups are so much fun. Just drinking water or seltzer or an iced coffee, whatever you want to use them for. They're super fun and they have a great capacity, but that's just my point of view.